What'd you think? Was that fun?
Should we do another Shrinky Dink?
Yeah, why
I'm
not?
gonna do this one.
No.
One
Where's the
more.
Shrinky
Yay,
Dink?
egg. Yay, egg.
No more? No more Shrinky Dinks?
Could do it right over the other ones.
That's true too.
Yeah, we could. We could make that stick together real good.
All right. Do you want to say anything else?
We're having fun, Dad. Wish you were here. Next time you'll be here.
Yay.
Yay.
Yay, Grandpa.
Yay.
Calvin, can you say Happy Easter?
Happy
Nice.
Happy Easter to you, Calvin.
You say I love you, Pop Pop?
I love you, Calvin. And I love you, Mama.
I love you, Pa.
We love you too.
Bye, we love
We love you.
you. Happy Easter.
Bye.
All right. Have a good night, Dad.
Go.
Bye.
Go.
Chuck. Chuck.
Calvin, this is your egg. This is your egg,
Bless you.
Calvin. This is your egg, Calvin.
Oh no.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. I'm going to turn it the other way if I can. Let's see. I think I can. I think I can.
I
I
love it.
No.
Oh
No, it's
Oh,
not gonna
no.
work. Hey, maybe we'll just make it like a hat.
Sure,
if
let's see
it'll
what
shrink
happens.
down.
See how I'll cover
Okay.
up.
This egg's gonna have a hat, Calvin. I know what I'm looking for is a little ring thing like that.
Oh,
here.
there's one right there.
Yeah. Oh, that's what that is. All right.
No. Hi.
You
No.
ready?
Okay,
Watch,
here we
Cal.
go.
Here, you got it.
Watch. Look at the egg.
Yeah, I got his reaction.
Oh, it's shrinky dinkin'. It's shrinky dinkin'. It's shrinky dinkin'. Stick it down there. Go down, you little thing. Go down. Shrink on down. It opens up on the top like a chimney. I think it's done. I think it's crispy.
I can't tell who's having more fun.
Look at it, opens right up when I put it on top. Now it's got ears like bunny ears. 2 ears, 1 ear, 2 ear. That is cool.
Wow.
We did that process.
Wow, egg.
Fun.
What
Fun.
are these for?